Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable dark mode on YouTube Android. All right, let's begin. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. Make sure you're signed into your account. At the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your account menu. Next, tap on the gear icon at the top right to access your settings. Inside the settings menu, tap on General. Here you'll see an option labeled Appearance. Tap on it to open the display options. Now you will see three choices: Use Device Theme, Dark Theme, and Light Theme. If you want YouTube to follow your phone's system-wide theme, choose Use Device Theme. This will automatically switch between dark and light mode based on your device settings. If you want to permanently enable dark mode, simply tap on Dark Theme. The app will instantly change to a darker appearance, which is easier on the eyes and great for low-light environments. It can also help save battery life on OLED screens. So that's basically how you can enable dark mode on YouTube Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.